Hey everybody, today we're gonna make tandoori chicken. It was very famous in my hometown back in 1940, Moti Mahal in Peshawar, and we're gonna show you such a unique way how to make some classic tandoori chicken today. First thing we need is sweet butter, 4 ounces of sweet butter. If you don't find sweet butter, you could use regular oil. Let's dump it in the bowl. La 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 la. Second thing, we need 16 ounces of sour cream. Why we using sour cream instead of yogurt? The reason, it stays more consistent. It doesn't become more watery. If you're gonna keep it for a couple of days, it's gonna stay as it is. Nothing that I do is normal, so we're gonna use some abnormal steps in there. All of this under my hand are spices for marination. Next thing we're gonna put is 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Coming up next is the abnormal stuff, the jalapeno, crushed jalapeno. 1 tablespoon of crushed jalapeno. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper. 1/4 spoon of meat tenderizer. You could always use papita. We're gonna use salt as needed. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt for now. We're gonna check it and we'll add more later. Next thing is 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Last thing is 3 tablespoons of red food color, orangish food color. We mix 2 colors, red and yellow, to make the orange food color. Now we're gonna mix it. Mix it. Make sure you mix it well. Marination is ready. I like my tandoori chicken on a lighter shade. You could make it darker as you like. So I'm removing the chicken skin right here, and I had some pre-cut right here, as you can see, so the marination can go all the way in and you can have that special taste to it. The marination is ready. Now we're gonna put the chicken in there one by one. Just like that. You gotta start marinating it very well. We're putting the masala in the cuts so you have the flavor to the entire chicken piece. After marinating the chicken, we're gonna preheat the oven on 450-degree temperature for a good 15 to 20 minutes, so that way the chicken doesn't get dry. Now we're gonna put the chicken on the pan. As you can see, it's marinated pretty well. So now we're gonna put the chicken in the oven. This chicken is good for 2 people. We're gonna let the chicken sit in the oven for a good 30 minutes. We have to drop down the temperature to 350-degree temperature. It's been 30 to 40 minutes. Our chicken should be ready. Guys, my people are here. They're gonna work with me. We have a really big catering order later on today. We have to prep for that and stuff. But let's go and check that chicken out, and I'll eat it right in front of you in the kitchen so you can see it. So what I like to do here, I love my chicken to be served on a sizzler, so I'm gonna have chicken served on this sizzler right here. As you can see, we don't want the chicken to be sticking to the pan. We're gonna put some onion underneath. We're gonna grab 1 piece of chicken. Gonna top it up with some more onion and bell pepper. Now we're gonna add some fresh dhania, coriander on top. To make it more sizzling, we're gonna add some oil to it. I love my barbecue served on a sizzler. This is how we do it at Zaika. I'm gonna take a bite right in front of you guys. Guys, it literally melted in my mouth, as you can see. So soft. This is how we make it here at Zaika. Do let me know what we should change in our recipe, what you do in your recipe. Share your opinion with us. Hit the bell icon so you are subscribed and you're getting notified what we are doing next. There's a lot more to come, guys. Stay tuned. Be connected with us.